Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can share contacts in Signal. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Signal app on your phone and click on any friend's message where you want to share the location or share your contacts. So click on the plus icon and you can see the contacts. Go ahead and tap on contact and you can see you can access your contact list. Just go ahead and select your contact. And you can go ahead and select the contact which you want to share. You can also edit their name over here and then click on send. After click on send, you can see the contact has been shared. As soon as you or any person clicks on this, you can see add to contacts option will be there. You can go ahead and click on create contact and you can see that it will automatically be loaded and you can save it as your contact as well. So this process is quite easy and helpful. I hope this video about how you can share contacts in Signal was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.